Hello everyone, welcome back to Gaming Basics. In today's video, I'm going to show you a quick and simple process on how to turn off music on Mario Kart application. So let's get started. Without further ado, open up your Mario Kart application and make sure that you're inside the main homepage. Once you're inside the main homepage of Mario Kart, tap on Menu at the bottom right. Now tap on the Settings button at the bottom right on the next page as well and scroll down. You'll then be able to see this music option under Sound. Simply tap on it and once you turn it off, there will be no background music playing on your Mario Kart application. You can also reduce your master volume by dragging the slider at the top and set it according to your choice. After you are done changing the settings, you can tap on the cross icon at the bottom and that way you'll be able to turn off music on Mario Kart. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you soon with the next video. Goodbye till then.